We talk about everything. I always like to say full disclosure will help us to know how to help each other. I specifically want to talk to the boys. Whatever happens in the dark, eventually finds the light. You boys have made a lot of progress, but it seems we find ourselves in the same situation that brought us here. Ignitous, is there something that is going on between the two of you and Bonge?
To my knowledge, I would not say something beyond a friendship is going on.
Sure. Right. Vanaka?
Ula.
To your knowledge,
the only thing connecting me to Bongeka, it's friendship.
Fail.
Yeah, fail.
Bongeka, ngicela nawe ukukunika ithuba ukuthi uphawule.
So, yes, there was something going on between Ignitous and I, but it's pale, I think. I like we photo shoot, like photo shooty. Yabo service a click and there was a time like esabona khona ukuthi no like lento esenza like ngathi everyone usayibona because besifihlile sabona ama camera. This other time we kissed, it happened ukuthi him and I kissed kanti ama camera yasibona. From there like sase siyasaba, okay waseyasaba yabo at mas like masingekho emacamereni or mhlawumbe ngihleli ngedwa uyathanda ukuza kimi. Sometimes he'll come visit my room, sometimes I'll go visit. It happened ukuthi uje yangishele mina ngitshela uIgnitous ukuthi yazini cause uthi uyasaba ukuvela kuma camera, at least tshela umngani wakho ukuthi mina now we have something cause naye useyangishela cause I problem endethela angifuni ukuthi phinde futhi nibuyele emuva. Athi I don't worry ngizomtshela uJane nani. Ethi ukuthi ngiye kuIgnitous ngimtshene ukuthi dude lento izoziphuma eTV umngani wakhe ngazi. Cela ukuthi umtshene ke like umtshene ukuthi azi bese like kuyaphela. Babili basebuya basakhulumisa. Angazi sebene attitude towards mina. Isimo njengamanje to be honest namangazi cause bavele bangishintshela nje.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sisi, and what I like about you Taiwan uyayikhuluma uyibeka indaba injalo. And that's why I keep asking you, are you sure nothing is happening?
So ke phoso ya ga ya mathomo eo
ya bobedi.
Ya bobedi. Yeah. So can I know the situation ngeke mmoditse maybe it could have turned out differently. But in my side, Bra Romeo, when two people are in a relationship, they communicate with we are in a relationship, we are dating. About those kind of things. Let's go reach an agreement.
Okay, okay. How many times have I offered to it? I'm very disappointed because pieces and smile and then like basically and again
fine, Romeo, we disappointed you, but we didn't lie to you per se. Me and Ignitous, we chose our friendship and we decided to give Lihle and her sister space to fix their complications in their sisterhood. I really but we chose our brotherhood from first space.
All right, no, toxic masculinity, li choose or li shapo la mugaba beno. And now we must go back ro dila le hete. Osa discata motho because we no feel ro shapo beno. I need a little bit of accountability on your side and eke tlhoka thuso so that we have full closure.